Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's been a while, look. So anyway, okay, so this is our food. Mga gamit ko, short, happy birthday. And ito pa yung iba. Yo. So yun guys, so sorry, it's been almost 2 months since last upload. And magre-relax kami yung araw na to. So I will take you there.
Twenty minutes later.
Dito na ba tayo?
Oo nga, dito na. We're here. Wala kang makuha magandang shot.
Ano ba?
Ay, sorry. Ow. Ooh, hello, relaxation. Yes. Ooh.
Ito yun? Amo
Oh,
dyan?
may beach slide
Amo na
gali.
ba ko?
Yeah. Look. Oh, may mga yacht. Yan. Ay, palm tree. Hi. Oh, i-kaptan niyo ba?
Ang bala may isa nga maapat pa.
Oo. Oh. Tako rin ko dahil. Itakon ba mo? Ipatyat buka?
Gagay.
Ituwa mo ka booking, pareho mo pangaran.
Oo. Naka-record na hindi? Wala.
Record at time mo. I-steady lang ang mata.
Sige, iyan ako na. Kailangan pa ako na. Dito na ito ka sa wallet ko.
Can I have your ID?
Doon yung wallet ko. Karin. Michael Ron. Ang bali mo.
Michael Ron.
This is our room. Yes. What? Picture? Okay, wait. Tama sakay pala kikita gali di. Woo! What the fuck? Sa'yo to, hawakan. Move. Bitch. Okay, sir? Yeah.
Dali ka na ako decorin mo kita.
Aray po. Oh,
Hi.
Come in.
Room tour, please.
Welcome to our humble room. Okay, tutor ko kayo. Come, pasok po ma'am. Aray ko. Dito po muna tayo ma'am ha. So, this is our room. Welcome to our bathroom. So, ito po yung CR. Kung gusto nyo umihingi ng kaya. Kung gusto nyo magpupo. Kung gusto nyo gumamit ng bathtub. Meron na tayong bathtub. Ayun. And this is our shower area. Pakita mo yung shower area. Ayun. Di ba maganda? So, ito po yung ating mga sanitary bags. Alam niyo po, pag tayo nagpunta ng hotel, paglabas, matik, dala ito lahat. Okay, so, okay, enjoy our bathroom. So, along the way, we have this beautiful painting na kung pwede lang dalhin, pwede dalhin. And then, we have coffee maker.
Hindi mo na itanong if those waters are complimentary.
Yeah, this is our complimentary water. Cool. So, welcome
You
to
forgot the fridge. Hello. The fridge is here.
Oh, we have. Hindi ko alam. So, ba't hindi naka-on yung AC?
There. Palamigin mo siya ng bongga.
Ano ba yun? Yan. And this is our bed. It's so comfy. So this is our bed for tonight. For the night. So, ito po yung place. It's so comfy. And meron po tayong couch just in case kung gusto niyo po umupo and just to chill and relax. And our foods for tonight. So, meron kaming pizza and spaghetti and everything.
Dito tayo maglagay ng happy birthday mamaya.
Yeah, dito kami maglalagay. Kasi magse-celebrate kami ng birthday ng father namin and ni Mike, yung fiancé ng kapatid ko. And so here, this is what are your plans for today, Mr. Aaron Flores Santos. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you sa palibre.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you so much, JA The Resort, Palm Tree Court. So this is so nice. One of our rooms is free for frontliners that they basta free yung isang room ko. Para yung isang room binayaran ko. So yun lang. So let's proceed to
the best one.
balcony.
That's where I can smoke. Yee.
Welcome, welcome. This is our balcony overlooking the rest of the resort. Yeah. So may beachfront tayo, guys. This is a nice view. Nice view.
The other balcony is the sisterette's.
Yeah, this is my sister's. The other side. Huh? So, yun guys. So, thank you so much for joining us in this room tour. And, papakita ko sa inyo the rest ng resort. So, just tune in guys. And welcome you back to my YouTube channel again. So, pwede ka nang lumabas.
Alright. Maybe we can make coffee now.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Bacon chop. That's a whap. That's. Oh, hold it. How do you use this?
Okay, so this is my sister. Do we have coffee?
Where's the coffee? Well, maybe we should do this.
Oh, they have. This is good. So, okay guys. So, mamaya ulit. Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Mike! Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Michael. Lobat do yala. Okay na. Bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy Boy Boy. La, 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 la.
Ano?
Happy birthday.
Sigar nyo ay matunaw ho? Uy, suksukan pa dyan mo. Hindi takot dyan. Sigar dyan ho?
Sige na.
Picture nyo dyan. Patayin pa. Ah!
Go, 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 go. Si Michael mablow. Kaya ikaw mo blow dyan.
Ikaw na naman yung birthday mo din.
Dalawa kayo pa.
Tanan, sila kita. Makanta kami happy birthday ka.
Lahat kami happy birthday. Wait lang.
Ah, sigar nyo matunaw yan ka na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday